Hello and welcome to CVEN2320 Differential Equations for Civil Engineers. My name is Dr. Venki. I'll be the instructor for this class. And the purpose of this video is to introduce you to this class and broadly go over the course objectives that this class is designed for. We have four main goals for designing this class. Differential equations are fundamental to civil engineering practice. Almost all of the analysis and design that you're going to do as civil engineers involve some sort of differential equations. So you need to know how and when these differential equations arise. You need to know how to solve them. And you also need to know how to interpret the results coming out from the solutions of differential equations and how they can be used to help you with your analysis and design. So understanding their proper usage is also important in addition to solving differential equations. Secondly, it's very rare that civil engineers solve differential equations using pencil and paper these days. Even if they do so, we typically would like to write a short computer program so that we can reuse our result for another problem. And also we want to make use of the charting and the visualization capabilities that modern programming languages offer to help us interpret the results, explain the results, understand what is going on with different parameters, how they influence the results and such. So it is very important to dovetail your understanding of differential equations or your ability to solve differential equations with charting and visualization capabilities. So that integration is another reason why we developed this class, so you can get the full benefit of not just learning how to solve differential equations, but also how to analyze them to understand the behavior of the systems of interest to us as civil engineers. So differential equations can be solved in many different ways. The two broad ways or two broad classifications for solutions are what are known as analytical solutions and numerical solutions. Analytical solutions are exact solutions that are solved using mathematical principles. Numerical solutions are also based on mathematical principles, but they are approximate solutions and typically use computer to perform iterative calculations. Most traditional ordinary differential equations classes that are taught in mathematics departments tend to focus on analytical solutions. So students often miss out on learning numerical solutions, which are more commonplace in engineering. So what we want to do here is to give you an overview of both analytical solutions and numerical solutions for solving a variety of differential equations that are of interest to us as civil engineers, as both these techniques are used widely in civil engineering practice. Finally, many mathematical departments teach a sequence of courses, one on ordinary differential equations and one on partial differential equations. Again, in civil engineering, we make use of both ordinary differential equations and partial differential equations. But our field of study doesn't allow us to get you training in partial differential equations. So your mathematical training at the undergraduate level typically stops at ordinary differential equations. So this course is again defined broadly as differential equations. So while we mostly focus on ordinary differential equations, we'll give you a little bit of an exposure into partial differential equations and some of the methods that are used to solve them. So this gives you a much well-rounded picture in terms of differential equations, particularly in the context of civil engineering, and will help you understand the variety of different models that are used in your advanced classes in civil engineering, as well as in the practice of civil engineering. So those are the four main goals with which we designed this class. I welcome you to this class and look forward to solving differential equations with you, helping you understand, learn some of the modern methods and techniques. So it is going to be a fun journey, and I look forward to seeing you all in the classes. Till then, take care, stay safe, and welcome to the world of differential equations for civil engineers.